Hi everyone, I'm Eddie of E&S Computers, and today we're going to be changing or replacing the battery on this Macbook Pro. It's an A1278. So without further ado, let's get on. Right, so here we go. So we're going to just remove the screws first. Right, so that's all the screws out. No, it's not. Forgot one. Right, so we've got it open. Now it's just to take the battery out. There's a screw here. That's the long one. And then there's a shorter screw on this side. Alright. Now, the power connector lifts up and there you go. You just pull that out and alright. So what we'll do is we'll plug that in first. The actual cable on that is longer than right. Okay, that is there. Now so that's that screw. That one. And this one has actually got a SSD in it. And this is the brother-in-law's. Right. It's actually got quite a bit of nasty gristle and right. So that's that cleaned out. how to put the back or bottom on. Don't know if people are aware, if you've never sort of messed around with a Mac before, but these don't work if the bottom is off. So if you wanted to test it, it won't power on unless the bottom is on. Right, I'll finish off doing this and then we'll test it. See you in a minute. Right, so it's all done. The owner has got to change the time and date. As you can see up there, it's saying January 2001. So the customer will do that, and yeah, job's a good one. Alright, thanks for watching. Please click like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye.